Write a query to find nth highest salary in SQL.
Let's simplify SQL queries. And today I will show you three best ways to find the nth highest salary. Each query works best in a different situation. So I will explain when to use which one. We will also talk about which approach is better for performance. So by the end, you will clearly understand which SQL query to choose based on our requirement. Let's see. We'll try to get fourth highest salary from this approach one. So in approach one, we are going to use top and subquery. So this query is useful when we have a small to medium data sets. Performance may slow due to subquery. Also, this query does not handle duplicate salaries accurately because we are using top and distinct. Okay, this inner query gets the top four highest unique salaries from the employees table. From those four salaries, it picks the lowest one, which is the fourth highest overall. So you can see we got the 78,000 salary. सो हम पहले टॉप फोर हाईएस्ट सैलरी लेते हैं, फिर उनमें से सबसे छोटी सैलरी को निकालते हैं, वही हमारी फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सैलरी होती है. Let's talk about the approach 2, that is very famous, and in terms of optimization and performance we should use this dense rank query. So it handles duplicate salaries correctly, faster and more efficient on larger data sets. It gives clear ranking when we want nth position. So सपोज हमारे पास 10 एम्प्लॉय हैं और फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सैलरी देखनी है. सो ये क्वेरी सभी सैलरीज को रैंक देगी सैलरी के ऑर्डर में, और फिर उस रैंक फोर्थ वाली सैलरी को सिलेक्ट करेगी. सो इसका फायदा बेनिफिट ये है कि इफ टू पीपल्स हैव सेम सैलरी तो वो सेम रैंक देगा. इसलिए इफ वी हैव अ लार्ज डेटा सेट और टाई केस जहाँ पे होता है, उस केस में ये मेथड बेस्ट माना जाता है टू गेट दी रैंक विद द सैलरी. Let's discuss the approach 3, using row number with CTA. So this is useful when we want to get the exact position even if the same salary appears multiple times. If we want to break ties, right, because row number gives unique number. It works well with paging and rank based filtering. So when we should use row number and when we should use dense rank, so we should use row number when we need unique row positions. So this will help us in pagination and ordering, and use dense rank when we need duplicate salaries with the same rank. So let me execute this query. So we got fourth highest salary from this query as well. So suppose we need a fourth highest salary, right? So ये query सभी salaries को descending order में arrange करती है और हर salary row को एक unique number row number देती है, like 1 2 3 4. ओके, फिर हम सिर्फ रो नंबर 4 वाली सैलरी को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर. अगर किसी की सैलरी सेम है तो भी ये उनको अलग नंबर देगा. लेट मी टेक दैट रो नंबर, राइट, रो नंबर. सो वी कैन सिलेक्ट हियर, ओके, दैट रो number so you can have a better understanding on this. So you can see, right, we got the row number 4 along with salary.